In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel scheduled emails in Outlook. If you've scheduled an email in Outlook and then changed your mind, don't worry. Outlook gives you a way to stop that message before it gets sent. The exact method depends on which version of Outlook you are using, so I will walk you through both the classic desktop app and the newer Outlook experience, including web and mobile. If you are using classic desktop Outlook, start by going to the Outbox folder from the left-hand panel. This is where messages wait before they're actually sent, including emails that have been delayed. Once you find the scheduled email, you have two options depending on what you want to do. If you simply want to stop the email from being sent altogether, click Delete next to the message. That will remove it from the outbox and prevent it from going out. This is the quickest option if you no longer need the message. If instead you want to keep the email but change the scheduled send settings, double-click the email to open it fully. Make sure it opens in its own message window so you can access all available settings. Then go to the Options tab and click Delay Delivery. In that section, look for the setting labeled Do Not Deliver Before. Uncheck that box if you want to remove the scheduled send time. This lets you edit the delivery timing and decide what to do next. After that, you can make any additional changes you need before saving or sending again. Now, if you are using the new Outlook, Outlook on the web, or the mobile app, the process is a little different. In these versions, go to your Drafts folder. Scheduled messages are often stored there until they're sent, and they usually display a clock or scheduled icon, which makes them easier to spot. Find the scheduled email and open it. At the top of the message, you should see a banner with a Cancel Send button. Click Cancel Send to stop the scheduled delivery. Once that's done, you can either delete the message if you no longer want it, or edit it if you plan to resend it later with updated content or a new delivery time. A helpful tip is to always double-check the folder where Outlook stores scheduled messages, because that can vary depending on the version you are using. Also, if you don't see the option right away, opening the message fully usually gives you access to more controls. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.